Do you know about Buddhist meditation, loving kindness technique? Sit down in a meditation position, closed eyes, generates in your mind and heart feelings of kindness and benevolence. Start by developing loving kindness towards yourself, then progressively towards others and all beings. I use this progression as advised. Myself, family, friends, people, a difficult person, all 5 of the above equally, then gradually the nature, all living beings, for the entire universe. All you have to do is to wish happiness and well-being for all. This practice may be aided by reciting specific words or sentences that evoke the boundless warm-hearted feeling. Visualizing the suffering of others and sending love, or by imagining the state of another being, and wishing him happiness and peace. This meditation makes you happy. Have you tried it? How did you feel after? Let me know in the comments. See us next time.